Everything you know about VPNs is pretty much useless if you want to use it on a TV. The setup is different, the settings are different, which can result in an overall worse experience. So today I'll show you how to set up a VPN on the most popular TV operating systems. And I'll even show you my personal setup, which is different from a traditional TV VPN setup, but pretty much better in every way possible. And if you don't have a VPN yet, I'll leave some discounts for the best VPNs in the description. First up, Android TV. This will also work if you have Amazon Fire Stick, Xiaomi Box, Nvidia Shield, or the new Google Chromecast TV. These are all based on Android, and you can install pretty much any popular VPN just by going to the Google Play Store and searching for the app. So for me, it's Surfshark. After you download it, just log in, turn on the VPN, and you're good to go. This is by far the easiest VPN platform for setting up a VPN. For people who have a Samsung, LG, or other non-Android TV, the setup is a bit trickier, but I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you need to log into your VPN provider's dashboard and find the Smart DNS settings. I'm using Surfshark, but this will be pretty much the same with any other VPN. You might need to activate this feature, and after that, you'll get your DNS servers. It could be 1, it could be 4, that depends on your provider. After that, go back to your TV. Again, your interface might be slightly different, but you should be able to follow these steps pretty easily. Go into your TV settings, then network settings. Select Ethernet if you have a wired connection and Wi-Fi, well, if you're on a Wi-Fi network. Now you'll need to edit the internet settings. So for me, I need to click Other Network and Advanced Wi-Fi Settings. Click Edit, uncheck Set Automatically, and change the DNS server to one of the servers given by your VPN provider. It doesn't matter which one. After that, click Connect, and you should be done. However, one big problem with LG or Samsung TVs is that by setting up Smart DNS, you're not actually using a VPN, but rather a proxy. Yeah, it might remove some ads in the interface, but not much else. You can't even change the server location. This could be partially solved by installing a VPN on your router. However, not every router supports the VPN feature, and your internet speeds will decrease significantly in your whole network. If you want to know more, check out this video. For many people, the primary reason for wanting to set up a VPN on their TV is to watch geo-restricted content. So here's how I personally go around this problem. I connect to a VPN using my computer or phone, which will unlock any shows you want. And then I just cast it from my phone to my TV.
Sometimes my genius is... it's almost frightening.
This way you'll have the best of both worlds. You can enjoy the benefits of a VPN without having to go through the hassle of setting it up on your TV. And you can use your phone or computer's interface, which is often easier to navigate than the clunky TV one. Now, I said casting, but some sites simply do not support this feature, and when a VPN is introduced into the mix, it can get a little bit finicky. At least I can tell you that from my experience. Casting can sometimes straight up not work. You might see your TV in the cast menu, but you won't be able to connect to it. So if that doesn't work, the next best thing is to mirror your screen, which I know doesn't sound like a great solution, but honestly, it's been working absolutely excellently for me. And depending on what device you're mirroring from, you can still control things like play and pause and adjust the volume levels with your TV's remote. For anyone with LG, Samsung, or other TVs, this is the solution I suggest. No setup, no wires, and no limits. Throughout this video, I used Surfshark VPN, and if you want to know why, watch this video where I tell you why it's the best VPN out there.